Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. 𝗲𝗵 Sarma and the Janitva IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Sarkar Jalal lang ba katunat ka kya klabata ikinong tray bat ka surveillance team berani kitan kaput ban long giba petngor ban lum jing tip bat pet ikijing long jing man magijing kio jing gibayo ikijing pang denggi agri Bangladesh. Habakirani kilat patai kubor menteri katunat ka kya ba awailat 𝗞𝗵𝗶𝗏 to ba hadu menta katunat kampat yo kanu ke report ne kejingja ke bakun kuslai bat pensier kitan kaput ulaban balapa ikijing bata asabaro ki jaka sumar kum ki sub center ki 𝗬𝗏 bat 𝗞𝗵𝗶 hakitan baper ban pet laradon kum ki kejingja bat ban pentip nomor dor laradon kanu kejing kela wala kejing pang denggi ke penkuslai hakeri ke bamarjan menteri pad ula pentikna baga Mᴇዄ kampat yo ya kanu kejing man ne kejing kio ke penkuslai wala kibayo ikani kejing pang kijudan man kapor uba wailat 𝗞𝗶𝗏 lepen scam bakat penat kakot kakya kandang beteng ban pet ngor bat ban penstat ya kijing tray jong surveillance team kibelet keleng ban pet kejing long jingman hakitan kapot jong kejela.
From the health department, we have directed our team, especially those situated in the border area. So we have informed them, and then we have asked them to remain on alert. But right now, as of such, we have not got any report, any alarming report here, especially from this border area. So we have a surveillance team who is traveling and then taking stock of the situation, but right now as of there is no such alarming cases which is coming up, so that's why I think we have not pass or give any direction or any notification. Health institute in the sub-center, PSC, CSC, in all these areas. So we have asked them to be on high alert to see that such cases is there to inform us. But as of now, we have not seen any increasing trend. No doubt some cases will be there, which is usually there, but as till today we have not seen any alarming rise as such, as which you have mentioned, especially what is happening in our neighboring country. There is no increase as such. So, but still then we have asked them to be on high alert, and if anything to please inform us, and then we have a surveillance team who keep on traveling and take stock of this kind of situation. So we have put our surveillance team also on high alert, but till now we have not got any such cases or we are increasing trend.